Start Pantia. Hello, hi, I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So today, episode 13, and this episode is why you should not drink alcohol after your tattoo. We have done the episode 8, that why you should not drink alcohol before the tattoo. So after that, many of the clients asked a doubt that shall I drink alcohol after getting a tattoo? Is it good? Is it okay to drink alcohol? So today the episode we are going to talk about it. If you guys did not subscribe us, do subscribe and check out our Instagram portfolios of our tattoos and comment your doubts or comment your thoughts. We will be explained and we will discuss in our next videos. Let's get into the topic now. So when it comes to drink alcohol after getting a tattoo, it's not a very strict rule, hardcore rule to follow, but if you follow, it will be good and nice to go ahead. If you drink alcohol after getting a tattoo, there is the chance of bleeding will be more. And because alcohol is a blood thinner, so after the getting a tattoo also, there is the chance of things may happen, but that's very rare to happen. And another thing is mood switch may happen. For example, once you drink alcohol, if your mood switch happen and if you did not like the tattoo and if you scratch or something, there is the chance of infection may happen. Then once you come to the normal, you may get regret for that. So please keep that in your mind. And another important thing is it may increase the healing time. Yes, that may happen because when you drink alcohol after getting a tattoo, chances of white blood cells coming to that particular area to heal may get delayed. Due to that, chances of healing time may get increased and the chance of scabbing may happen. So you need to keep considering this. If you did not drink alcohol at least 24 hours after the tattooing, that would be best and great to go ahead. Or if you can't able to control or if you want to socialize with your friends, go ahead, but drink very limit way. Don't drink so much. That will be good to go ahead. Maximum as much as try to possible avoid drinking alcohol. Don't die nude.